I mean, that doesn't look nice, but it don't look nice on that car. Just take the rims off and put the stock ones. Or nah. Get close to me, bro. Get close. Get close. Stop moving so much, man. I'm trying to get a good angle of your car. Come here, Lemon. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I gotta get some angles of your car. Oh, look at the rims, though. Look at the rims. Ooh, look at the wheels. Ooh. Y'all ladies can't handle these. Yo, man, it just looks so good right now. Oh, we gonna keep this going? Oh man, he pull out the muscle, muscle. AKA dickhead. I love you, bro.
See video.